The main challenges these days with delivering ICT to large numbers of residents are primarily delivering it within the cost envelope. Obviously we've got less money to spend as time goes by, but also recognising that residents want to transact with us online. So it's about giving them the experience that they want and at a price point that we can afford. The Olympics and the Paralympics were an incredibly exciting opportunity for us. Apart from being on top of the greatest show on earth, it meant that we had some technology opportunities as well as challenges, and one of the main ones of course was recognising that we didn't want large numbers of people to have to travel in every day to the borough where most of the Olympic Games was happening.
We were told to expect around about 1,400 members of staff working from home. Normally we have around 200, so we had to ramp up our remote access solution quite substantially. And to do this we used the Server 2012 beta.
One of the key objectives we had was joining up the IT to deliver the shared services for the London Borough of Havering and the London Borough of Newham to help deliver the public services in a shared fashion by using Server 2012 and System Centre to deliver common desktops applications to the users so that they can sit next to each other and deliver the services in a shared fashion with no boundaries.
Microsoft's private cloud is very important to us for a couple of reasons. The first is scalability, because actually what we've been doing for one borough historically and now doing for two boroughs, and increasingly talking with London neighbours about whether we can deliver services for them. And unlike in the past, they don't just want space to put things in, they want software as a service, they want infrastructure to run things on, so that's giving us flexibility.
We're using Hyper-V to provide all our virtual machines, and some of the new features mean we can now run bigger, more powerful virtual machines than we could before. And there's a new feature about Hyper-V Replica that allows us to provide disaster recovery for free. Using the Microsoft private cloud, we can enable developers and other members of IT to self-provision their own servers, saving us the time and trouble having to do it for them.
The use of Server 2012 Hyper-V has allowed us to consolidate all our hardware down onto a significantly fewer hardware estate that we have. This has in turn enabled us to realise savings along the licences and the power and the footprint within the data centre. We have a principle that not one size fits all, and by that we mean we can deliver the requirements for each of the business units, how best suits their needs. So for some of that, the people it'll be a common set of platforms and systems, and then for other people it'll be bespoke systems. And through the use of Server 2012 virtualisation, we can deliver the different sizes of systems that are required, and the VDI stack, we can deliver the desktops, whether they're personal or pooled, or terminal services to the users, so that we're not trying to give everybody one solution.
One of the main benefits of using System Centre Orchestrator 2012 has been self-service. So previously we may have had or did have a full-time employee responsible for provisioning Exchange accounts or provisioning Active Directory accounts and manually configuring permissions. Now we've automated these types of activities so that they're done right every single time.
Well, the benefits are twofold. One is the pure cost savings, and we're up to over 2 million per annum of revenue cost savings for the two boroughs, as well as some capital savings. The other benefit is also reducing single points of failure, having the ability to share people and people's skills and knowledge. As headcounts are unfortunately having to be reduced, it's critical that we share that knowledge. It's been a good process, it's gone smoothly, and the key is twofold for me. The first is that we've made the savings that we've targeted, but the other is that we've got the flexibility in place now. The future could go in various directions, but I feel we've got the agility to cope with whatever challenges come our way.